Welcome back everyone, Casey with CX Mods. On our last video we installed the DRL vinyl, and then today is going to be our last front end vinyl that we're going to be installing, and it's the sport trim vinyl that goes around the fog housing here. There is a thicker side and that is going to go on the top, just to give you an idea of how that's going to sit. So all we have to do really is peel this off, start it on this line here, and then work our way down, and then we'll work all the bubbles out. So let's get started. So you won't need to peel this all off all at once. Just start kind of at the top so that the rest of the vinyl doesn't get dirty while you're working with it. So you're just going to want to try and hug this curve here. That'll get you So I'm having a hard time getting it lined up here. I'm just making sure that it kind of hugs that curve where it bends in. So I'm going to try the wet method on this, since it should help me. Way to move it around, get it lined up where I want it, and at least have an idea where it's gonna sit before I commit. So it doesn't want to hug this perfectly, but I've got it about as good as I'm going to get it. It's about as good as I'm going to get it. I'm glad I did the wet method, just because it kind of allowed me to position it where I want it to go, and that seems to be sitting the best I can get it. It doesn't quite hug that line perfectly, but it's good enough. So now I'm gonna get all the rest of the water out, make sure we don't have any bubbles, and then we'll heat it up. So there you have it. Install is really not that bad. I tried to do it dry. I'm not that confident that I would have been able to hug the body lines as well. So I would recommend trying the wet method first. You're welcome to try the dry, but I didn't trust that I was going to be able to get that vinyl exactly where it needed to be without kind of screwing up and it getting tacked down and then getting creases in it and bubbles and everything else. But I found wetting it down and then aligning it where you wanted it, slowly getting that water out, trying to get as much of it out as you can, and then actually let it sit for a little bit, because when I hit it with the heat gun or the hair dryer, it would start to lift. So I got as much water out as I could, let it sit, got more out, let it sit, got more out, and then eventually I did hit it with the hair dryer, got the rest of the water out, and everything's sitting perfect. So I did that on both sides. That's how I got my results, and I think that that's probably the way that you're going to get the best results. But I'm really happy with how they turned out. That's the last thing we have to do on the front end. In the next video, we're going to be installing the window delete trim vinyl. I know I have the rain guards on there already, so I need to take those off before we do that, but stay tuned for that video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email us at sales@cxmods.com or find us on social media and message us there. Thanks for watching.